kaliya ayay isla wada helayaan jaanta socodkooda iyo qayladooda iyo hadalkooda nool waxa uu yahay mid argagax ku rida iyo niyad jabhad iyo jeer cadowga Soomaaliyeed kaasi waxa uu yahay mid ku rida majeestayaashani waxa ay naftooda ay u huraan had iyo jeer daafacaada dalka hooyo waxayna ay kuwa ummadda Soomaaliyeed ay ku lido Allah Allah Allahu Akbar sunamahe wa faran tartan kiyo dagaalkuna sunamahe wa faran takatul galqayo salaaxig la weeyaan saxiixay la gowracay dooniyooday sadaqada takatul galqayo salaaxig la weeyaan saxiixay la gowracay dooniyooday sadaqada markuu dhigatay ay culimu توباني تلقي رسولكيو صلوات قادي مركودي قتيري أي علمو توباني تلقي رسولكيو صلوات قادي
In 1977, the great powers' attention shifted to the Horn of Africa. As regimes changed, so did alliances. The Soviet Union and the United States switched sides easily. In Ethiopia, the emperor had been ousted and replaced by Marxists. Moscow had a new ally, Colonel Mengistu Haile Mariam.
የወታደሩን አሸናፊነትና ኃያልነት ሜይዴይ በብሔራዊ ደረጃ እንዲከበር ጥር 2 ቀን
When the Soviets moved into Ethiopia to assist the communist dictator there, Haile Mariam Mengistu, I thought that this was a threat to the stability of Africa.
The Soviets at that time were proclaiming over and over again that the scales of history were tipping in the favor of the Soviet Union. The Soviet Union would outstrip us in economic performance. The Soviet Union was getting a strategic edge. The Soviet Union was riding the crest of the so-called national liberation struggles.
The new regime in Ethiopia turned against America.
Mengistu expelled most of the Americans from Ethiopia in the following months, arrogantly terminated the American aid program.
Neighboring Somalia had been a Soviet ally for years. Somalia's army was equipped with Soviet weapons. But now that Moscow was also linked with Ethiopia, the Somalis considered turning to Washington.
they had very little chance of getting American full support. But they knew that if they tried to present themselves as anti-Soviet, they would improve their chances.
The Somalis turned against the advice of their Soviet ally and prepared for war with Ethiopia. But President Carter turned down their appeal for American arms.
I thought that Somalia should not be permitted to succeed in trying to take Ethiopian territory, and I refused to give the Somali government any weapons.
Nevertheless, in July 1977, the Somalis seized large tracts of the Ogaden Desert. The Soviets tried to stop the advance through diplomacy.
Gromyko suggested joint mediation with the Americans. But Brzezinski rejected that, saying it would have legitimized the Soviet presence in the Horn of Africa. Brzezinski felt that the American presence was legitimate everywhere, but the Soviet presence wasn't.
Anti-Soviet demonstrations in Somalia greeted the government's decision to send the Russian advisors and their families back to Moscow. All Soviet support was now switched to Ethiopia.
ورتدي دايو هبكات مانتا قادم وقتمية علنكا يعني بقيت قطاد قرمدين حيبها قلب وحي أصول دينا مريضي قياه لي خلياني بقيت قطاد قرمدين حيبها قلب وحي أصول دينا مريضي قياه لي أما انت ناقصة مدي وي عبو ميسيقو مقوتك ما انت ناقصة مدي وي ميدان قيد بحيران كريم قيدين هروب بغي مياهات كو قيد سدي قيدين هروب بغي مياهات كو قيد سدي قطان قارر كديو دقح بور قرية هود قالي ذا أواريو قطان قارر كديو دقح بور قرية هود قالي ذا أواريو قراحي أنا إسكالي قراحي أنا إسكالي قراحي أنا إسكالي قراحي أنا إسكالي جاسيال ورسدي دايو هبكات ما انت قادم وقتمية على
What the Liberation Front had won
Somalia, Somalia, kala saar lahu kala sooco midkii fikiro midkii kala saar lahu midkii kala soocwado midkii fikiro aday taladii ku segto sidaad moodaysa mahe war hooy Soomaaliya Soomaali baale aday taladii ku segto sidaad moodaysa mahe war hooy Soomaaliya Soomaali baale farida hadday ku warto aati silciyo dhibgaadho samanteediyo xumanteed Soomaaliya Soomaali baale farida hadday ku warto aati silciyo dhibgaadho samanteediyo xumanteed Soomaaliya Soomaali baale